Hello, everyone. Good day. You're welcome to another video today. Yay! So today we'll be looking at Copilot in PowerPoint, and I'll be walking you a practical process of how Copilot can help create your presentation slides for your businesses. So let's say you have that investor pitch you need to quickly create. Copilot can help you with that. As a teacher, you need a presentation for your students. As an individual, as a business owner, as a government worker, whatever it is, you can easily create your PowerPoint presentation with Copilot in PowerPoint. And so I'll be walking you through the process of how it works. And now we have our PowerPoint opened. And once you open PowerPoint and you have Copilot installed, the Microsoft 365 Copilot, you would have it here that says Create with Copilot. So we have the option of Create with Copilot, and we also have the option of Copilot inside the presentation. So if I click on Create with Copilot, it brings up a pop-up. So you just wait for it to load a bit. And so it comes up. So it says describe the presentation you'd like to create, and you can reference up to 4 files. So you can reference some files that you have in your OneDrive. Now previously we had the Farm Agro Enterprises that we created in Microsoft Word. So I can click on the file and can create a presentation about this document. And let's say I just go and I say create a presentation. Just create a presentation about it, and let's go. So it's going to generate presentation topics, and it's going to gather more ideas. So just wait a bit, it loads, generates the number of slides based off the document. So one of the things to note is that Microsoft is constantly, you know, working on Copilot to ensure that it meets the demand of what users want and what users are trying to achieve, even when it comes to prompting and documents, right? So I'm just going to click on generate slides. Remember, it always says AI generated content may be incorrect, so it's your responsibility to check for accuracy, right? And so we have estimated number of slides, which is 13, and I'm just going to go ahead to generate the slides. So we just wait a bit for it to load. So, one thing about AI is that AI is developed with machine learning models, data models. So it takes a while for it to actually provide the accurate information because there is hallucination, AI hallucination. So check it, review it within a short while. But it has done the majority part of the work where it creates and puts together the content. It even adds images that are important for you that would be relevant to your text, and it applies the design exactly, that's the word, and then you would be able to generate your presentation and quickly present to your bosses, to your executive management, to your investors. So once that's done, it brings up the slides for you to see, and it comes up like this. I think I'll need to test it again because, so I just open it. Yeah, this is it right here, and then we have the slides here. So you can also add design suggestions. Microsoft PowerPoint has Microsoft Designer embedded in it, which can help you add and design a little bit of the slides like this. Exactly. So like agenda, and I can say let's choose this. So they work hand in hand, and so you can just click to add text if you have any other information, or you just delete it. You can have your footer text, maybe like the name of your company right here, and it has the date there. So we keep going. Overview of agricultural achievements and profit increase. We have it here. and so you can just expand them a bit. But majorly, all of this is like a major aspect that you want. The yield outcomes to show you that okay, we have the yield of 100%. There was tuber development for the yams, and the impact on the pest was quite reduced. And so it actually groups them in different aspects where we have the yield and profit, the achievement, the factors, market impact, and like that. So I keep changing it so designer is not getting enough suggestions, and also depending on how sharp your network is, it would be able to, do the design. So try this out with Copilot in PowerPoint and let me know what you think. See you in the next video.